Standing beside the Gojō River in Aichi Prefecture, Kiyosu Castle is one of Japan's most historically significant castles. Though the present structure is a modern reconstruction, the site played a pivotal role during the Sengoku period, when powerful warlords fought to unify Japan. The original castle was built in the early 15th century by the Shiba clan as a strategic fortress controlling the approaches to Owari province. Over time, it became one of the region's most important military and political centers, changing hands between rival samurai families during Japan's age of civil war. Kiyosu Castle became closely associated with Oda Nobunaga, who made it one of his principal bases after gaining control of Owari. From here, Nobunaga launched campaigns that transformed him into one of the most powerful figures in Japanese history and laid the foundations for the unification of Japan. Following Nobunaga's death in 1582, the castle hosted the historic Kiyosu Conference, where leading generals, including Toyotomi Hideyoshi, met to decide the future leadership of the Oda clan. The decisions made within the castle profoundly influenced the course of Japan's unification. During the early Edo period, the castle gradually lost its importance when political authority shifted to nearby Nagoya. Much of the original structure was dismantled, with materials reused in the construction of Nagoya Castle, marking the end of Kiyosu Castle as a major feudal stronghold. Today, Kiyosu Castle has been reconstructed as a museum, celebrating the dramatic events that unfolded on this historic site. Overlooking the Gojō River, it stands as a lasting reminder of the ambitions, alliances, and rivalries that shaped the unification of Japan.